Ladies and gentlemen, you can now view the cadets of the junior course forming up in two flanks in front of you. The newly commissioned officers are taking their positions at the rear, waiting to step into their new world. The newly commissioned officers will pass through this formation in slow march, recollecting their memorable stay at this academy. Each step signifies their transformation to bold and responsible officers of the Indian Air Force, ready to serve the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, as the first rank of newly commissioned officers approach the dais, may I direct your attention to the 3 Hawk aircraft formation led by Wing Commander P. Rana, which you can see approaching from straight ahead. As the newly commissioned officers receive the first salute from their juniors, their hearts are filled with immense pride and satisfaction for having passed down to them the cherished values and traditions. As they slowly march down this lane, they also remember those people associated with them in their year-long training who have helped them to make it to this day, an indelible moment for them and their families. As the newly commissioned officers go past the saluting dais, they extend their first salutation as officers to the reviewing officer who has commissioned them on behalf of the President of India. This is indeed a moment of great pride for the newly commissioned officers as well as all the instructors and supporting staff at the academy and other training establishments.
इस क्षण मुझे हिंदी के एक प्रतिष्ठित कवि सोहन लाल द्विवेदी द्वारा रचित कुछ पंक्तियां याद आ रही हैं। ना हाथ एक शस्त्र हो, ना हाथ एक अस्त्र हो, ना अन्न वीर वस्त्र हो, हटो नहीं डरो नहीं, बढ़े चलो, रहे समक्ष हिम शिखर, तुम्हारा प्रण उठे निखर, भले ही जाए तन बिखर, रुको नहीं झुको नहीं, बढ़े चलो, चलो नई मिसाल हो, जलो नई मशाल हो, बढ़ो नया कमाल हो, झुको नहीं रुको नहीं, बढ़े चलो। ये पंक्तियां संदेश हैं इन नवोदित अधिकारियों को आज की ये शहर इन पंछियों की नई उड़ान बनकर आई है। भारत माता के ये वीर सपूत अपने लक्ष्य की ओर निकल पड़े हैं और ये कहते हैं जिंदगी की उड़ान अभी बाकी है, जिंदगी के कहीं इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है। अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर जमी हमने, अभी तो सारा आसमां बाकी है, अभी तो सारा आसमां बाकी है।
Ladies and gentlemen, as the last few ranks of newly commissioned officers approach the dais, may I direct your attention to 3 Kiran aircraft formation led by Group Captain Agarwal approaching from straight ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, don't go anywhere, as in a short while, we will be presenting in front of you a scintillating display of the Surya Kiran aerobatic display team of the Indian Air Force.
As the band marches out of the parade ground, ladies and gentlemen, please get ready for the scintillating display by Suryakiran Aerobatics.